What is going on, guys, and welcome to another video. Come in. If you're new, smash that subscribe button so we can grow together, get better together, and improve little by little every single day to achieve our goals. As you guys know, I'm back in South Africa, and I thought, seeing as how we're changing the narrative of Ghana, why not change the narrative of South Africa? Because still a lot of my friends in Europe and in other countries, Australia, America, wherever it be, don't realize that you get luxury homes within South Africa and don't know places like these exist. Even though this isn't the most extravagant you can get, I'm still going to give you guys a tour of it. So pretty much as soon as we walk in, we'll actually start with the outside area. If you see all the cushions and everything like that lying around, that is just because it's been raining outside. So they usually go on here. But if you come with me, you'll see a really nice garden area. Makes our way out to the pool. This is where you probably can't tell now, but I'm a little bit red, got slightly burnt. Sorry if the glare is bad, but we've been swimming, we've been tanning, just living it up, having some golf chipping competitions all around the garden, which has been lots of fun because we are confined to this area. Even though in this complex you got tennis courts down there, bowls, what else do you have? You have basketball courts, you got soccer fields, places to chip golf balls, you got a golf course because it's on a golf course. But yeah, lots and lots of things to do here. Obviously during the lockdown they want everyone to be socially spread, keeping within their homes. And then the one thing I like most about this house, how open it is. It's really similar to a house my mom used to own a couple years ago. Pretty much the same floor plan. This island is really nice, it just brings everyone together. Whether my dad's cooking, Clayton's cooking, whatever's happening, we're all around here just talking, catching up. And another area that gets used the most is this lounge area. You can see the blanket side. Even though it's South Africa, it's going into what they call winter, even though it doesn't get that cold, but it's nice just to snuggle up at night. Clayton's busy watching some Harry Potter, and then this has been a lifesaver. When it gets really cold, below 10 or around 10, we throw this on and it warms everything up. And then, as usual, you have an area that is down here that is just pretty much used for all the washing, for the laundry. We're busy doing laundry today. And then you come out here, it's another courtyard area where you can hang up your clothes. Some more things around the corner onto a double garage. But then from there, there's one bedroom and one bathroom, which is kind of used as the guest bathroom down on this floor. So if you come with me, I'll show you it. So this bedroom was Clayton's, but the first night we actually arrived here, we thought we were getting broken in, because there were lights getting shone from the garden gate was open. Even though it's inside a gated estate with 24-hour security, my dad was fast asleep, me and Clayton ran out, we ran downstairs. Clayton got I can't even remember what it's called, I can show you here. I had a golf club, he used this as a weapon, and it turned out that it actually was, we had turned the silent alarms on by mistake, and we'd just keep on tripping the silent alarms. So the more and more times we were setting up, the more and more people that were coming to check it, and we thought there was like a gang of people surrounding the house wanting to rob us. So it was quite an interesting first night back in the country. And then just your normal bathroom, massive shower. It goes the length of this wall. And then we'll just turn these lights off, because if you guys don't know, South Africa is in a huge crisis right now with electricity and load shedding. So we don't want to be wasting any electricity. And then we'll make our way upstairs. Nice wooden floors all the way up. And then I just need to decide now, are we going to leave the best for last, or we're going to start with the bed? I think we'll leave the best for last. So if you come with me, I'll take you guys down to my room. Nothing over the top, pretty simple. 6 cupboards, nice area, normal layup. Been practicing the guitar, getting pretty good, seeing as I was 21 days of lockdown. Never played it before. After the 3rd day I was able to play one song. So just keep on building on and having some fun with it. You're never too old to pick up new tricks and trying to develop yourself, regardless what it be, business, social, musical instruments. And then this is the bathroom, rain shower, which is really nice. And then this tub, as you guys know, in Norway I do not have a tub. In Ghana I have a massive walk-in shower and no bath, so it's been really nice to use the tub. We've been using it quite often actually. And then we make our way to this room, which is 2 single beds, but this is where Clayton's now been staying. After the first night, we just was like, yeah, everyone move upstairs. It's got its own veranda, and if you guys come and look through here, you might be able to see how much open space you have, seeing as how we're in the farmlands. and in that distance is where the tennis courts, basketball courts, and everything like that is. So just your normal pretty much place. And then this is one of the bags we've been using. Pretty heavy, got all of Clayton University law stuff in that we've been using as our gym equipment. I would definitely say the best part of the house is this way. The rooms have been a little bit messy. I tried to clean it up as much as I could. And this is pretty much it. It's a really nice, really cozy, big suite. Got your dressing table, another table here, a TV with DSTV, everything hooked up, but that's not the best part. If you guys follow me, you start off with this walk-in closet. Really, really nice. It's almost identical, like shape to my mom's old one. When I showed her a photo, she was like, it looks like her old house. And then the best part is the bathroom. If you swivel that way, you'll see there's 2 double basins, a really nice big mirror and everything like that. We carry on walking. It is a standalone bath, which I absolutely love. And then behind the door, if you just swivels around, you'll see is a massive shower. And then through here, you have a toilet with a view, which then opens up straight onto here, which then takes you on to the rest of the complex. But let's quickly go back inside before we close up this video, because it's really, really windy outside. So we can just maybe finish it up here, nice lighting, away from the wind. I want to thank you guys all so much for watching. If you guys, smash that subscribe button so we can keep on growing together, getting better together, and improving a little bit every single day to achieve our goals. The 10,000 subscriber giveaway is happening. So if you guys aren't already subscribed, you might as well just subscribe. You have a chance to winning really cool free stuff, and who doesn't like free stuff? I absolutely love it. But I'll see you guys in the next video.